In the midst of the 21st century, a seismic shift is underway in the landscape of industries worldwide. This transformation isn't marked by physical infrastructure or tangible assets. Instead, it's driven by the emergence of artificial intelligence, AI, and its profound impact on the way businesses operate. At the forefront of this revolution is what we call GenAI, the generation of AI technologies that are reshaping industries and posing significant challenges to white-collar workers across various sectors. The GenAI phenomenon represents a convergence of advanced machine learning algorithms, big data analytics, and unprecedented computational power. This potent combination has enabled AI systems to perform tasks once reserved for human intelligence, ranging from data analysis and decision-making to creative endeavors such as content generation and design. One of the industries experiencing the most profound transformation is finance. Traditionally dominated by human expertise and intuition, financial institutions are now turning to AI-powered algorithms for tasks like risk assessment, portfolio management, and fraud detection. GenAI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies with unmatched speed and accuracy. As a result, the role of financial analysts and advisors is evolving, with a greater emphasis on interpreting AI-generated insights rather than generating them manually. Similarly, the healthcare industry is undergoing a revolution propelled by GenAI technologies. From diagnosing diseases to personalizing treatment plans, AI-powered systems are revolutionizing patient care and medical research. With the ability to analyze medical imaging scans, genomic data, and patient records, AI algorithms can assist healthcare professionals in making more accurate diagnoses and delivering tailored treatments. However, this transformation also poses challenges to healthcare professionals, who must adapt to working alongside intelligent machines and leveraging AI-driven insights to enhance patient outcomes. In the realm of marketing and advertising, GenAI is reshaping how businesses connect with consumers. AI algorithms can analyze consumer behavior, preferences, and social media interactions to deliver personalized advertising campaigns and product recommendations. This level of targeted marketing not only improves customer engagement, but also poses ethical questions regarding data privacy and algorithmic bias. Moreover, as AI becomes more adept at content creation, copywriting, and graphic design, the roles of marketing professionals are evolving to focus on strategy, brand management, and creative direction. However, the widespread adoption of GenAI is not without its challenges, particularly for white-collar workers whose roles are being disrupted by automation and AI-driven solutions. As AI systems become more sophisticated, there is a growing concern about job displacement and the need for reskilling and upskilling the workforce. White-collar workers, including accountants, lawyers, and consultants, are increasingly tasked with collaborating with AI systems rather than competing against them. This necessitates a shift in mindset and skill set, with an emphasis on critical thinking, problem-solving, and adaptability. Furthermore, the rise of GenAI raises ethical and societal implications that cannot be overlooked. Questions about algorithmic bias, data privacy, and the impact of automation on employment require careful consideration and regulation. As AI continues to permeate every aspect of society, it's essential to ensure that its benefits are equitably distributed, and its risks are mitigated through responsible governance and ethical frameworks. In conclusion, the GenAI revolution is fundamentally reshaping industries and challenging white-collar workers to adapt to a new era of automation and intelligence. While AI technologies offer unprecedented opportunities for innovation and efficiency, they also pose significant challenges in terms of workforce displacement, ethical considerations, and societal impact. As we navigate this transformative period, it's crucial to embrace the potential of AI while also safeguarding against its unintended consequences, ensuring that the benefits of GenAI are realized for all members of society. Only through collaboration, innovation, and responsible stewardship can we harness the full potential of GenAI to create a better future for generations to come.